Hello and welcome. I am Ghulam Abbas from niazit.com. In this tutorial, I will show you how to deploy the Discover image which we had created before in any operating system. So before stepping in how we can deploy that one, I have to clear something for you. Number one, I am using the VMware virtual machine, and number two, before that one, if I have to make it full screen, and then my computer is DHCP is fine. You can take a look at that. It is Abbas or local, and also it's having the exact IP address that I have myself has given for the DHCP. And also you can take a look at that. If I have to press the Windows R, and then I have to type down the DSA.msc, and then I have to press OK or enter on the keyboard. At that time, you can take a look here that I have already two clients available here in my Active Directory users and computers. This thing is available. You must create them for yourself. Also, if you don't know how you can create the discover.vim file, then you can visit the last tutorial which I had created for you. You can take a look here. Last time I had created the discover.vim file, discover.iso file, and its size is 296 megabyte, and I have also already copied it on the desktop. You can take a look at that. Is available here. So right now I'm going to deploy it according to this one on the any other operating system. Don't forget, you can use any other virtual machine which you desire. You can use VirtualBox, which you can use VMware Fusion on the Mac operating system if you are there. Also you can use the Hyper-V, which is from Microsoft, and there are available many more. You can use any of them. So for now, I have to explain something else for you. Again, press Windows R on the keyboard, and this time type that wdsmgmt.msc, and then click enter on the keyboard to open up the Windows deployment services. And now I have to show you something there. So I have to expand the servers, and then you can take a look at I have already Windows 10 I'm in this image, also the boot, and also the pending devices that are also been available here. It was last time which I had tried that one. And also I have to go to the DC00 bus, and then I'm going to click on the properties, and then the PXE boot. You can take a look at that. I have selected that respond to all the clients, computer known and unknown, but I have also given thing that require please the administrator approval. Now when they should be on the network, here will be the pending devices will be available here. It is from last time which I had created before, and I think they are no need for me anymore. And I have also go to the properties, and then on the network you can take a look here. On the boot section you can take a look here, select the always continue to the PXE boot, and also again select always continue to PXE boot. You have to select this one also. So for now I'll go ahead and I'll click OK, and that should not be required for me while I have to reboot that one. And then I'm going to the home page of my VMware Workstation Pro, and I'm going to select create a new virtual machine, and select typical, and then next. Again select I will start operating system later, and then click next, and also select the Microsoft Windows, and then click next. Its version is Windows 10, don't forget, and then click next, and also give a name for this one, and also find out the place where you want to save that one. I'm going to save that on my drive E, and this is Roman Abbas.local, and then I'm going to click again next, and I'm also going to click select store virtual disk as a single file, and then next, and then customize hardware. Don't forget that the virtual machine which you are creating, that must be on the same VMnet. My server that is on VMnet 5. I'm going to select on the network, and then I'm going to select the VMnet 5, and then close, and then finish. You can take a look at that. Right now it will be created for me. But again, let me go to my DC server that is available here, or I'm going to its settings, and you can take a look at that. Its network is VMnet 5, and sorry, that is a VMnet 5. There's one. That's why I have put that one the same VMnet 5. And now I'm going to click on the edit virtual machine settings. I have to select the ISO which I had created before. I'll select the cd/dvd or SATA, and then I'll select the use ISO image file, and then on the desktop select the discover image, and then click open to open up this one there. So I have to make it full screen, and then power on the virtual machine. Don't forget here to press the F12. You can take a look here. Here it is written press F12. You can take a look here. Right now it's saying client MAC address is investigating for the DHCP finding there, that one. And now we can take a look here. It's contacting the server 150.160.1, and also its pending devices ID is true. Let me, I have to press Ctrl Alt, and then I have to visit the server. Now that must be available in the pending devices. Yes, that is available here. And now I'm going to hit right click and then select approve, and then I will be again here. And now it must be go on. Oops, sorry, my WDS has been stuck and it's saying that not responding, but we have to wait actually for some seconds. At least it should be on the respond mode. And now that is done, and let's take a look here. Yes, it's downloading the boot.vim file which we had created before. And now you can take a look here. Here's IP and then the boot file. If you remember that one, that we replaced it one in the previous video, that was how to the creating discover image. You can take a look at right now. It is taking IP from that one, and that boot VM file is available here. So let's wait until it should be available for us, then we can boot over the network. I think I have to make it full screen because there will be no need of any other window here. And now you can take a look at that I am on the Windows setup. Right now here you have to select the language and then click next, and now you are on the connect to dca.abbas.local. Here you have to type down the clients which I had shown you that was client 01, client 01 at abbas.local. That will be just a second, up at abbas.local. And then type down the password, and then let me have to clear one thing else for you, that you can use the administrator account also here, but it's better for you that you have every client must have their own username and then the password. And then when you are done, click OK. Again, when you are done with that part, click next, and here we are on the select the operating system, that is I know Windows 10 Enterprise, and then again click next. And it's the same as you can install the you are going to install any Windows on any operating system or any system. Again, you have to specify the disk space, that is I know 60 GB, that's fine. And then I'm going to click next, and this is waiting for the server until it should respond for the clients. And now you can take a look at that. Right now it's getting ready files for the installation, and this is the same as you can install the Windows in any computer. So this will take time, but I will try to skip, or I will try to speed up, because this will take so much time. And now here you have to select your country, and then your keyboard and your time, and then when you are done, click next. And here is the legal stuff. Again, you have to select I accept, and then here you are on the get going fast. You have to select the use express settings, and then you have to wait just for a moment, and then we can go further. Here you have to insert your username. I will insert that down there, Ghulam Abbas. I will insert also a password. Here it is asking from you that do you want to use the Cordana. I am saying yes, go ahead, use Cordana. And then I think it will be the last step. Yes, here it is the last step, and hi there, and these things will available here for us. And I will pause the video because this has really took my time, about 2 hours for me to install this thing. So when I will be ready, I will come back to you guys. You can take a look here that it is the last step that I had done, that was finished. So if you learned this tutorial, then go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you had any question, go ahead and type down your question in the comment section. Don't forget to visit the whole article in our website, which is niyazit.com, techhouse.com, wikigan.com, and others which I have listed down there in the description link. So
Till next time, have a nice time and goodbye.